Our feet. They take us places. They allow us to exercise and play, and yet for many, they can be a source of embarrassment. We avoid talking about it, we hide it as best we can. But over 25 million Americans suffer from toenail fungus. Called Onychomycosis, this infection can cause nails to turn yellow, thicken, and over time, they can become brittle. Fungal infections can be caught in common places like the gym, swimming pools, and nail salons. They may cause pain and are often embarrassing.
I first noticed I had toenail fungus about 10 years ago, and it was very embarrassing to me. I was self-conscious about it. I didn't wear certain shoes. I always had to have a perfect pedicure. I would never just go out with a pair of flip-flops on unless my toes were completely covered with nail polish, and it made me self-conscious all summer long.
My toenails were quite unsightly. My wife called them inhuman. They were really in bad shape.
By the time most people turn to their doctor, they have already tried over-the-counter topical treatments or oral medications with little success.
And I've tried various creams, and then as an adult I tried oral medication, and I didn't like the side effects because it had something to do with your liver, and I had to go for monthly blood work.
About 10 years ago, I did 3 rounds of the oral treatment. And I was nervous about that because you did have to have a blood test and worry about an adverse effect on your liver. But I was desperate to try to correct the problem, so I went through it 3 times. It was quite expensive, and I had no success with it.
Many people turn to their doctor convinced they will have to live with ugly nails for the rest of their lives. If you have toenail fungus or are embarrassed by your nails, there is a new solution: Genesis Plus laser therapy. Genesis Plus is a fast treatment that takes your doctor approximately 20 minutes to perform. The treatment is very tolerable, requires no anesthesia or numbing medicine, and there is no downtime following the procedure. Genesis Plus is a very safe and effective procedure that does not require a lifestyle change or regular blood tests to monitor liver function. Unlike systemic oral medications, laser therapy is targeted directly at the infection. Unlike topical treatments, laser therapy is able to penetrate the nail plate to get to the fungus. The Genesis Plus laser safely penetrates the nail, delivering heat to the nail plate where fungal colonies grow. After 3 to 6 months, healthy new nail growth can be seen. Some people may require more than 1 laser treatment. The number of treatment sessions depends on the patient and the severity of the fungal infection. Your doctor will advise you on how many treatments your nails need. Following the treatment, you can immediately resume your normal activities. Preventive maintenance may be recommended, so be sure to follow any post-procedure guidelines your doctor recommends to minimize your chance of reinfection.
With this particular treatment, I made the appointment, I came in, 15 minutes later I was finished, and I can go back to my regular activity. I don't have to have any special shoes on or do anything different. I just go back to putting my shoes on. It's easier than a pedicure.
The Genesis Plus laser has been cleared by the FDA to be both a safe and effective procedure for the temporary increase in clear nails in patients with onychomycosis or nail fungus. The laser can also be used to treat warts and reduce scars. Ask your physician about the Genesis Plus laser treatment for toenail fungus.
Anybody who asks me about this problem, trust me, not too many people talk about it, but if they do ask me, I'll recommend Genesis Plus laser. It's been very simple.